So I'm gonna try to get him to drop his head here and leave it down. So right now you see me babysitting him a little bit. As he moves his feet, his whole upbringing in the show ring, every time he moved, he picked his head up, he resisted. So he thinks because he's going fast that he needs to pick his head up and pull on me. I'm telling him, no, just relax. Relax your body. Now look how I'm starting to leave one hand down, pick the other hand up, and flex them off center. So I can pick my left hand up to my hip, right hand down by my knee. There we go.